Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness issues on OnePlus Nord CE 5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. Likely we don't even have to go to the settings in order to do that. Instead, let's simply expand our control center and let's click the sun icon at the brightness bar. And as you can see, our auto brightness is now on. If we click it once again, it will just disable itself, and you can now free to move it manually, and it will stay at the same brightness values. So if you're experiencing issues with auto brightness, trust me, an easy way is to fix it is to simply disable and enable it once again. However, if for some reason you still have some sort of issues, I would also advise you to just reboot your device. You can do that by pressing power button and volume up button, just like that. And now you want to swipe to the up and you're now rebooting your phone. And now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does help. Not only when you're rebooting your phone, you're only rebooting the software, but also hardware as well, including sensors that are responsible for detecting brightener levels around you and therefore making auto brightness feature actually work. So having a nice reboot should make the feature work again, if you're still experiencing some sort of issues, that is. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.